Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nesa Andini Fatmawati. Hello, today I would like to present an analysis of key opinion leaders' communication strategies after the Pink Flash dangerous cosmetic scandal with a specific focus on framing and liability. This topic is important because social media influencers are no longer seen merely as promoter. In the eyes of consumer, they now function as risk validator people who are expected to protect audience from harmful product. When a product harm crisis occurs, this expectation becomes very visible and very demanding. And I have a 9 content. This is a background, research purpose, key concept, victim frame, responsible, educator frame, finding, strategic recommendation, implication for agency and brands, conclusion, and then reference. The first is background. Social media influencers play a vital role in shaping consumer behavior and brand perception. They hold significant sway over purchasing decisions, rendering them key players in marketing strategies. The Pink Flash product harm crisis disclosed harmful ingredients, leading to serious reputational damage for both the brand and the endorsing influencer. This event underscored the need for analyzing call strategies during a crisis, evaluating communication strategies of influencer in response to product-related crisis reveal pattern of accountability and liability management, providing insight into how public perception is influenced and managed. 2. Research purpose. 1. Examines how influencers employed specific framing strategies to address audience concern after the Pink Flash scandal, offering insight to their communication static. 2. Analyzes how these framing strategies shape public perception of influencer ethical responsibilities and professional accountability, highlighting their role in rebuilding trust. 3. Establishes a structured framework to evaluate influencer liability and credibility, offering actionable insight to enhance influencer-audience relationship in crisis scenarios. And 3. About key concept. Key opinion leader or calls are individuals whose opinion are considered credible and influential by their followers. Their power comes from the 3 core dimensions of source credibility, trustworthiness, expertise, and attractiveness. In influencer marketing, and expertise is especially crucial. Audience assume that beauty influencers understand ingredient, safety standard, and product risk. Because of this assumption, calls reduce consumer perceived risk and increase perceived intention. However, this strong trust relationship also create double vulnerability when a promoted product turns out to be harmful. Not only the brand but also the call's credibility is questioned. Product harm crisis. Consumers safe risk product harm crisis occur when products are found to contain unsafe or harmful substances, leading to health risks. Reputational impacts. This crisis often damages trust in the brand and individuals endorsing the products. Accountability dynamic. Such situations demand clear response to address consumer grief and mitigates the fallout on brand and influencer credibility. And liability and due diligence. Ethical duty of verification. Influencers are obligated to ensure the safety and reliability of product before promotion to safeguard their audience. And consequence of negligence. Lack of due diligence compromises both the influencer credibility and audience trust, increasing liability risks. Proactive measure. Ethical promotion requires thorough check of product certification, ingredient transparency, and safety documentation. And then framing of Edman using Robert Edman framing model, this study analyzes how goals define the problem, diagnose its cause, make moral evaluation, and proposal solution. This is a 1. Problem definition. Influencer identify and communicate the nature of the crisis clearly to audience. 2. Cause diagnosis. Frame analysis and explain responsibilities and reason behind the product harm situation. 3. Moral evaluation. They use framing to assess the ethical implication for themselves, the brand, and regulator. 4. Solution proposition. Frames focus on resolution how influencer, brand, or audience can act to prevent future occurrence. And 4. Victim frame. Effect of victim frame. 1. Impact on audience trust. While the victim frame can initially earn audience sympathy, it ultimately makes followers question the influencer ability to verify product safety, reducing perceived credibility over time. Through 2. Creating of blame reduction. This approach offloads responsibility onto external entities like brand or regulation, causing audience to interpret it as avoidance rather than accountability. Number 3. Long-term risks. Audience may begin associating influencer with negligence, increasing liability due to repeated emphasis on external factors rather than personal accountability. Number 4. Emotional strategy pitfall. Protecting an emotional image may work short-term, but can alienate in discerning followers who expect honesty and responsibility from goals. Number 4. Erosion of authority. Overdependence on this frame reduces the influencer's perfect ability to act as an informed and credible authority in product endorsement. And 5. Responsible educator frame. Effect of responsible educator frame. Number 1. Strengthening trust through transparency. By openly and clearly based oversight, influencer demonstrate integrity and build stronger connection with their audience, fostering trust in their future endorsement. Number 2. Reinforcing expertise and credibility. Through proactive education and setting product knowledge, influencers restore their professional reputation and establish themselves as reliable source of information in their fields. Number 2. Reducing perfect liability. Adopting a corrective approach signal accountability, elevating concern about responsibility, and shifting attention to their willingness to learn and improve. Effect of responsible educator frame. Number 1. Encouraging long-term recovery. A knowledge-driven strategy prioritizes sustained credibility over short-term sympathy, ensuring influencers regain their audience confidence steadily over time. Number 2. Enhancing consumer awareness. By by educating followers on ingredient checks, regulatory compliance, and safety standards. Influencer empowering audience to make informed decisions, strengthening their perceived professionalism. 6. Findings. Number 1. Identify two primary frames. Victim frame and responsible educator frame. Number 2, conclude that the responsible educator frame is more effective at restoring credible and reducing perceived liability, directly aligning with audience expectation of influencer accountability. Number 3, highlight the difference in audience response to both frames, noting that short-term versus long-term effect play a crucial role in liability perception. Number 4, underscores that audience expect influencers to act responsibly by ensuring proper product check and providing transparent communication during a crisis. And number 7 is a strategic recommendation. Number 1, verify BPOM approval and ensure ingredient safety. Before promotion, calls should thoroughly verify product safety certification like BPOM approval and scrutinize ingredients, list to protect their audience and themselves from potential harm. Number 2, establish protect contract clause. Prior to any promotion, contracts shall include clauses that clearly outline liability in the event of product defect, safeguarding influence from undue accountability. Number 3, provide clear and timely apologies post-crisis. In the wake of crisis, calls should issue sincere apologies, transparently addressing their oversight and focusing on rebuilding trust with their followers. And the strategic recommendation is adopt education-based communication strategy after a crisis. Calls should focus on educating their audience about product safety. Number 2, offer actionable guidance to followers. Calls can empowering their audience by providing practical advice on recognizing safe product. Number 8, implication for agency and brand. Implication for agency and brand is a screen product risk comprehensively and provide focused influencer training, establish crisis response protocols. And the implication for agency and brand, number 1, ensure transparency in product information. Number 2, promote collaborative crisis handling. And 9, conclusion. Highlights the pivotal role of framing influencing how audience perceive the responsibility of influencer during a crisis. Emphasis is placed on how effective communication framework can shape public impression and mitigate negative outcomes. Emphasis the responsible educator frame as the most effective approach for restoring trust and expertise. By adopting this frame, CALL demonstrates accountability by offering transparent and communication and proactive education to agency about product safety. And then, this is a research reference to approximately 20 academic journal search. For practically only the most relevant references are presented on these slides. Okay, this brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.